Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samin Yasser and I'm a student of Biseshwar Munshi Abdullah Public College. I came all the way from Azimpur and I'm a student of the category class 6. So being here today as a finalist in the ICT Olympiad, I have to address one thing. I've never been prouder so much in my life. I'm really happy that I paved my own path using my own technological mind. And I'm sure many others did too. Thank you to ICT Olympiad for creating such a platform where young, innovative minds can come and express their own inner technicalities. So I'm really fond of technology from a really young age. When people were playing video games, I was actually finding out the source code. I was seeing how things worked. I love to see how things work, and a big part of that is programming and ICT. So those are my most two favorite things, and I hope I'll keep doing that in my entire life. So everybody, keep me in your prayers. Thanks to all the organizers of this event. And this was a great event. I loved it really much, and I'll definitely be participating next season, giving my best.
Thank you so much. And you are a very good speaker as well. You are a very good
থ্যাংক ইউ সো
speaker.
মাচ। এটাই বোঝা যায় যে আসলে আইসিটি অলিম্পিয়াড বাংলাদেশ ঠিক কাজটাই করেছে। তারা সমুদ্র তল দেশ থেকে এরকম কিন্তু ঝিনুকের ভিতর থেকে মুক্তাগুলোকে কিন্তু তুলে নিয়ে আসতেছে। তো ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে, ধন্যবাদ বাবা, তোমাকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।